Hope it's a great week ahead, and we're going to this beautiful place called Gannalu Falls. It's around 110 kilometers from Bangalore. Join us for the ride and have a great ride together. You're welcome. The route which we're taking is like we are traveling through this outer ring road to Kanakapura main road, and then from Kanakapura main road we take towards left, and from there we cross Kanakapura and then go towards Malavalli and then to this place. So this is a kind of not regular falls where everyone comes down. This is a bit isolated. As per the pictures I saw, it will be like flooded with water if it is in rainy season. I don't know if it is the same now, because there's no recent rains, and even if it was there, it was very less. So we have to go check it out there. Hi bro, நல்லாங்களா? தமிழ் தானே நீங்க? ஹாய் ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸா? ஓகே ஓகே ஹலோ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್? ಓ ನೈಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ಬಿಗ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಯಾ bro. So we had our breakfast here at some Ruchi Sagar. The food was average. It was just next to the Art of Living. It had enough parking for everyone to park there. So we thought, okay, we'll stop there and have a breakfast and then continue. From here it is around 50 kilometers, where we reach down to a place called Satanur. From Satanur we take left towards the place where we are going down, which is Gannalu Falls. And my friend who's coming with us, Prashant, he said there's one more place where we can get down into water and have some fun. So I'll take you people to there also, and stay tuned.
So why is it so hard to let you go?
So here's the right status. The time is around 8:40 now. Satanur is around 50 kilometers. So once we reach Satanur, we take left towards the falls. It is kind of a steep falls. Many people don't go there because it is bit not friendly with family people or kids. We have to go down a lot, and there is no place for there to swim in the water or get into the water there. So that is the reason why families don't recommend that place, or it is not much popular. Even I have not seen it, but till now the ride is so peaceful. The weather is too good. There's no rain liners, but still I could feel it is cold. So it's around 9 in the morning now. We just crossed Kanakapura town, and then we are moving towards this place called Satanur. We took left from Satanur. This is a small village road where we are going towards the falls. I don't know the route of this, so Prashant is leading us because he has been here and he knows the way better. So all these people are part of the group. These are Manu's friends actually. So he came with us in our last bike ride to Kailasagiri, and most of his friends are new. I have never seen them. This will be an intro kind of a ride for them, and in the next upcoming rides we'll know them familiar.
So why is it so hard to let you go?
seriously, the road is super good, and hope you're enjoying it. We are enjoying here too. In the live, it is like so good. When we go as a pack of riders, when we cross villages, the way the people stare at us is like, what's wrong with these guys? Why are they going around in single bikes if they could come out in a group? Come on, why is it? That Viper is fancy. That's so nice, no? The way he holding the smaller one.
Why is it so hard to let you
Sorry. Aiyala. Hi. ஸோ இது வந்து கொஞ்சம் ஃபாரஸ்ட் ரூட்டாமா. ஸோ ஒரே வாட்டி எத்தனை பேர் போனால் அலோவ் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. ஸோ ரெண்டு பேராக போகலான்ட்டு சொல்கிறேன். அப்படியே உள்ளே போகணும். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் 12 kilometer forest stretch. So in this forest stretch we have to make an entry there, and then only we are allowed to go inside. Basavana Betta State Forest. You felt every stone.
So why is it so hard
Oh,
to let
there's
you
road. This is a serious thing. Like it feels so much good to ride bike on this track, something like this, where there is road and there is no road. Suman, you're gonna miss this for sure, man. Is Himalaya a true off-roader? Yes, man, it is the best off-roader in this segment, seriously. When I was riding other bikes in this track, I used to feel like every pothole, every burn, every stone, and now it just glides, Did you check that? I could maintain 60s in this road, man, and the bike just cruises. Let's meet our boys in the front. That's our team. Bro. ఇట్లే ఉందేమో. This is one crazy off-roading, man. How's the ride so far?
Nice.
Enjoying?
No change, sir.
No, you're enjoying? Yeah. Awesome, right? This is seriously fun off-roading. Seriously. Like close to city at some 60-80 kilometers, we have such a nice patch which goes through a thick forest. It's very thick. Check that. So that's Prashant. He is riding in the front. So he recommended this place. So it is a beautiful place. You should thank him for suggesting such a track today.
So why is it so hard to let you go?
Too good, huh? Come. That falls is like so too good, man.
Falls is even better, huh?
Yeah. Break aira? Let that guy go, man. Then we'll go. Clutch pad smell వస్తాను కదా క్లచ్ పడ్ స్మెల్ అది దీని ఉండాల టీటీ
Ano? Ano ya?
ఫ్యానా so we stopped here so that we can regroup and then go forward. We regrouped and we are going forward.
Brake is not working, though. Brake is not working, back brake.
See?
Cable cut, huh?
బ్రేక్స్ డైనా పోయింది. హలో మా అది ఇప్పుడు మనం జనరల్ కాలు ఇట్లా వస్తాం కదా టైట్ అయితే ఉంటుంది కదేమో అదే ఇప్పుడు పడతాను ఓకే పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఓకే అదే ఇప్పుడు మనం ఓపెన్ చేస్తుంది చూడండి ఇప్పుడు గాలి లోపలికి పోయి క్లియర్ అయింది అనిపిస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఆ పైన బ్రేక్ ఫ్లూయిడ్ రిమూవ్ చేస్తుంది చూడండి అప్పుడు రోంచి గాలి ఇప్పుడు పడుతూ ఉంది అవుట్ ఇస్ హోల్డింగ్ ఆకాశ్ రోంచి ఓపెన్ చేస్తే ఫ్రీ అవుతుంది. Oh, that was wild boar. The forest pig. Jungle lost and without teenage worry against the Mexican. There are a lot of monkeys on the road. This is out of forest area. Thank you. Thanks for the beautiful experience for us. Falls ga? Huh? ಗಣಲು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೌದು ಹಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೋದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್? ಹಾಂ ಊರು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್. ಸರಿ ಓಕೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಕನ್ನಡನೇ. ಸರ್ ರೈಟ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. 300 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಅಮ್ಮ. The road is that way it seems, man. Is there water? Water is there? No water. Only rocks. ಮಳೆ ಹೌದಾ? ಹೋಗೋದು ಬರ್ತಾ ಅಂತೀರಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಫ್ ರೋಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಇದೆ? ಹೌದಾ? ಓಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. Sorry for disturbing. Yeah. This is a good place. I would recommend to everyone. Yeah. Left arm. So this is the place. So we thought coming down. Say hi. Yeah, it is much recommended place. Anyone who wants to go for a off-road can try this. That's Prashant, the person who gave us the lead. Say hi, bro.
Hi.
Thanks for the lead, actually. And this is for the KTM 250 fella. I'll try to switch it off and after I cut post that.
So why is it so hard to let you go?
Some riverside biryani had by some locals. Where are we done? Biryani, riverside biryani.